Hello students, welcome to question hour session of Ajmal IS Academy. Here we will be discussing 5 MCQs on the daily newspaper The Hindu and Indian Express. So let's start the session. Our first question is on Biological Weapon Convention. Statement 1 says the convention came into force in 1975. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says it became the first international treaty that forbid the use and development of biological weapon of mass destruction. Is a correct statement. Statement 3 says it required signatory states to destroy existing stockpile of biological weapon. Is a correct statement. So answer here becomes D, that is 1, 2 and 3. Let's move on to the second question. The second question states that hazardous microorganisms and genetically modified organisms are governed under options are Food Safety and Standard Act, Geographical Indication of Good Act, Environment Protection Act and Wildlife Protection Act. The correct answer here is option C, that is Environment Protection Act 1986. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is regarding Shanti Bill 2025. Statement 1 says it seeks to replace the Atomic Energy Act 1962 and Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act 2010. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says it allows private Indian and foreign companies to operate nuclear power plant in India. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says it places the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board under the administrative control of the Nuclear Power Corporation of India. This is an incorrect statement, as it does not place it under Nuclear Power Corporation of India. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. Let's move on to the fourth question. The fourth question is regarding Project Suncatcher. Statement A says NASA to place a nuclear power data center on the moon. Statement B says a research initiative which aims to put a solar powered data center into space. Statement C says collaboration with space agency to mine rare earth mineral from asteroids. Statement D says a project to replace terrestrial data centers entirely with underwater server. Answer here is B. It is a Google's research initiative which aims to put solar power data center into space. Let's move on to the fifth and the final question. The fifth and the final question is regarding Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Bill. Statement 1 says the bill proposed to increase the guaranteed wage employment from 100 days to 125 days. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says the scheme will be primarily funded by the center. This is an incorrect statement, as it will be jointly funded by center and state. Statement 3 says the bill proposed a 60-day pause in the scheme during the peak agricultural season. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 1 and 3, that is C. That's all for today, and you can find all this question in our social media platform. Thank you.